It is common for many types of legal documents to contain footnotes or endnotes. Footnotes appear at the bottom of the page, and endnotes are shown at the end of the document. To insert a footnote or endnote, place the cursor at the location in the text where the reference number is to appear, and select the References tab. Click on the Insert Footnote or Insert Endnote button. For simplicity, we will present inserting a footnote, but the steps are the same for endnotes. Word has automatically placed the footnote reference number in the text and created a footnote at the bottom of the page. If Insert Endnote had been selected, the note would have been placed at the end of the document. Type the text for the note. Click back into the main document to continue editing. Switch to Draft View. When working in Draft View, the note text does not display on the screen. Click on the References tab and choose Show Notes. Notes can be edited from this area. Navigate elsewhere in the document to insert another note. When working in Draft View, all notes display in a list format. In Draft View, it is also apparent that notes are formatted using styles. To edit the format of a note, use any method to open the Style dialog box. Editing styles is covered in another course and is briefly demonstrated here. Make the desired changes and click on OK. Click on Apply. As a best practice, you should not add extra returns between notes. This can cause irregular pagination. Instead, use space before or after to add white space between notes. You can continue editing with the pane open, or click on the X to close it. Or you can return to Print Layout View to display the document as it will look when printed. Click on the dialog box launcher of the Footnotes group to display formatting and placement options. Footnotes are generally placed at the bottom of the page which contains the reference, but they can be placed below text. Below text places the footnotes within the body of the document rather than at the bottom of the page. Click on the Number Format drop-down to define the numbering for both the footnote text and the reference. Several built-in number formats are available. Or you can insert a custom mark or symbol to identify footnotes. Numbering can be set to continue throughout the document, restart at each section, or restart on each page. When finished updating the notes formatting, click on Apply. As noted, when working in Print Layout View, footnotes are displayed below the text or at the bottom of the page. When working in Draft View, you can quickly view the text of a note without opening the Notes pane. Hover the mouse pointer over the footnote reference and it turns into a note icon. As you hover, the text of the note is displayed in a bubble above the note. You cannot edit the note from the bubble. If you want to delete a note, backspace over the reference number or select it and press the Delete key. The footnote reference and its corresponding text have been deleted. To convert all footnotes to endnotes, or vice versa, open the Footnotes dialog box. Click on the Convert button. Notice that one of the options is to swap footnotes and endnotes. It is possible to have both footnotes and endnotes in the same document. Click on OK, and the notes are converted according to the selection made here. Close the dialog box and navigate to the end of the document. The footnotes have been converted to endnotes and now appear on the last page of the document.